Hey there, mathletes and casual number crunchers. Did you know there's a math problem so deceptively simple that even the greatest minds are like, pass? It's called the Collatz Conjecture, also known as the 3x plus 1 problem, or the nightmare that keeps mathematicians up at night. Seriously, this thing is like Sudoku, but for people who miss pain. Here's the deal. Take any number. If it's even, divide it by 2. If it's odd, multiply it by 3 and add 1. Then repeat. Keep going. No shortcuts. Eventually, no matter what number you start with, you'll end up at, drumroll, please, 1. Or at least, that's what we think happens. But spoiler alert, nobody's been able to prove it. Let's try an example. Start with 6. It's even, so divide by 2. Boom, now you have 3. Oh, but 3 is odd. Multiply it by 3, add 1, and you get 10, and so on, until, ta-da, you hit 1. Sounds easy, right? Wrong. Try explaining why it works for literally every number in the universe. It's like trying to explain why cats knock stuff off tables. We see it happen, but why? Math geniuses have spent decades on this. Meanwhile, your weird cousin who claims he's bad at math solves it in 10 seconds with a calculator. This problem is a vibe. Simple on the outside, chaotic on the inside. Just like me before my coffee. Here's a fun tidbit. The Collatz Conjecture is named after Lothar Collatz, who came up with it in 1937. Yep, people have been losing sleep over this for almost a century. Makes your overdue taxes seem manageable, huh? And get this, some numbers take forever to reach 1. Like 27. It's out here taking 111 steps. I mean, 27 is basically the drama queen of numbers. Now you might ask, why does this matter? Good question, Sharon. Proving the Collatz Conjecture would be like finding the Rosetta Stone of math. It could unlock secrets about numbers we haven't even dreamed of yet. Or it's just a really fancy way to procrastinate. Your call. Still confused? Don't worry, so are we. But if you want to dive deeper into math mysteries, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite number. Who knows, maybe you will crack the Collatz Conjecture, or at least impress someone at a party. Cheers to that.